Hi guys, welcome to my unboxing of the DJI Osmo 3. In today's video, I'll be going through the gimbal alone. So quick spec while I tear down the protective film. It has a weight of 405 grams. It has 2450 milliamp battery. And it has operating time of 15 hours. Now I'm going to peel off the protective tape. First thing in sight is the hard carrying case of the DJI Osmo 3. And some accessories box, which I'm going to cover. Now let's go straight into the unboxing. The case is covered with a protective film. I'm going to peel that off right now. After peeling it off, you can see the DJI Osmo 3 in its hard carrying case with Osmo clearly written on it. Now I'm going to open it and I'm going to show you the gimbal itself. We can see the gimbal tightly packed the hard carrying case. The accessories box, I'm going to cover that shortly in the video. Now straight to the gimbal, we can see the Type-C charging port. It's quite heavy at 405 grams. It's Type-C port for charging, and it also has USB power outlet for charging your mobile device while in use. You can get the app on Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Over to the other side, we have the zoom button, and the unfolded dimension is 157 times 130 times 46 millimeter in dimension. Over to the front side, we have a joystick for controlling the gimbal, power on button, and a recording button. Gently folding it into place locks the gimbal. Now let's go into accessories. The gimbal comes with Type-C cable, which can be used to charge it or send power to your Type-C enabled devices. Also in the box, it comes with extra grip tape. Also, we have the tripod stand, just in case you have a bigger tripod stand lying around. It comes with one, which is made out of quality plastic, which feels a little bit premium to the hand. carrying case. You can also use a soft carrying case to carry the gimbal if you don't want some bulkiness in your backpack. So if you enjoyed my video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe for my next video. Thank you. Peace.